So what Jimmy can know when I'm a chua. So what Jimmy get near shimmy I'm a chua. So what Jimmy ten won't lie I'm a chua. So been dropping you know when I'm a chua.
Kumasi people are back at it again. Somebody say back at it. They are back at it again. Oh my goodness. Ti Kumasi for pa. It's yenya mude. Kumerika for yenya mude. Okay, Charlie, this is New TRYB Studios. I go by the name Marvick. Today, the story I get give you be very funny, a very funny story. Before we get into it, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share, leave your comments, tell a friend to tell a friend. We are on all social media platforms at New TRYB Studios. Follow us, we'll follow you right back. Like all our videos and leave your comments. Charlie. They say Ghana high the dead match as a dream home crowd won't say so sorry any leaks are a Jimmy say nye Jimmy a chese Ghana high the Ghana ye to me war Ghana war never go fit happen for this country inside sake of this country one a motherland there. This motherland there. It be the best place to be on earth. No sorry no power now we ninja and you hear any data. Just buy data and you Charlie, your day will be nice. Your day will be beautiful, blissful. You will have a nice day. Trust me. And then you die sorry I see BB cause Kumasi. Say PZ to say then you something they go on for Kumasi. You say I'm on for a to near the say. Dream hon crown say intina me shishim so Charlie. Maybe Kumasi people know something happened for their way, like they start the pull guns then things. So men ye digging na me chese anope ya mafoka ku Kumasi abo. Anope ya mafoka ku Kumasi chese na me kohwe ne ekoso on because me ti say to be intimidated na me ka say some propaganda ne me bi na ekoso nti chese ma faka Kumasi ma jimi bulletproof a chese ma ko pie wo eyi Chicago O block ewo Kumasi sorry enye Kumasi ewo Kumerica ma ko pie wo Chicago O block ewo Kumerica na me ko pie wo hono chese there's a new trend going on. You go Kumerica where you no get toy gun then go sack you inti wunim se wo ko Kumerica sisi na wo ni to assign wechi ne ye be pamon. Let's watch this video and come back right now. So when they cost Kumasi, this is what is going on in Kumasi right now. Just say any easy as action film as in Boko Haram forget Hamas and as forget you be this is what is going on in Kumasi right now. This is the trend that is going on in Kumasi, and it is just funny how the boys have been able to save their money to buy toy guns and be fooling around in the town. Are you serious? Cause it be serious, I swear. And pay this money at up we are here and I figure say it be some serious thing be where they happen. So I go there, go check no. So my mom find it serious. It's not anything serious, it's just one of their they are just messing around. It's the youth of the town that have just decided to come up with a new trend and mess around in the neighborhood. And it be serious. This is just a joke. Like I know they are just joking, but I don't think this time is a good time to be pulling up pranks and jokes and trends and challenges like this, because in a few days we'll be voting. We'll be going to the polling stations to cast our votes and all that for Kumasi power and things. We want a fair and peaceful election. Then and I'm sorry na mukita a toy gun now just say The thing is serious. It be serious. One of the videos inside there, you go see say some policeman be can't join the boys way. Charlie or J fans near the end free buying. Make we watch that video to ride it and come back. Aban abeka squad no ho no so J fans. Aban abeka ho no so J fans. I mean, it's all jokes, but yo, around this time you shouldn't be doing that. What if someone joins this trend with an actual gun? Pew now that you see. Since they go on, Kumasi people they force, but like you, your people. So yeah, that's it. That's what's going on in Kumasi right now. It's all jokes. It's nothing serious. They are just, having fun and all that. Small time you go see now, you go 10 festival. You go 10 something we then go do them every year. Okay, I didn't say any of that. Yeah, so quickly, let's get into our next story and then I'm out of here. This time, I don't want to waste your time at all. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share, leave your comments. They be and so move Munyo. Do it, please, I beg you. Okay, so there's a very, 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 very controversial and let's use that word, only controversial. Yeah, there's this video circulating on social media, and in this video you will find Honorable Sam Jata George inside the video. He is spilling some serious allegations against the current president of Ghana, His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo. Sam Jata George, they spill some allegations about Nana Akufo-Addo, and people, this has kept people like bringing in comments and all that on X and social media. Like baby Abefebia, they see people they bring comments, then things. I won't say anything and I won't quote him. Let's just watch the video and come and talk about it. Because this is a serious allegation against the current president of Ghana. Until the video.
Look, it is clear that President Akufo-Addo is part of the pro-LGBTQ cabal.
What has he done?
I'll tell you. President Akufo-Addo is the one who granted an international interview and said to people, if you have enough advocacy in Ghana, you can then have LGBTQ in Ghana. A year later, they came and opened an advocacy office. When President Akufo-Addo's father sent him to Oxford, he stayed with his cousin, the son of J.B. Dankwa, called Paul Dankwa. Today, there is a book that celebrates the 100 leading figures of LGBTQ and homosexuality in the world. Paul Dankwa is in there as one of those who is celebrated. In fact, the only Ghanaian who is celebrated. As we speak today, Paul Dankwa is buried by his gay lover, Akufo-Addo's cousin, is buried by his gay lover, a British man, in Morocco. It was in his will that he wants to be buried next to his gay lover. That is the person Akufo-Addo stayed with in Oxford, when he went to Oxford. It is for these reasons that President Akufo-Addo, when Kamala Harris came to Ghana in February this year and asked him about the bill, he like Pontius Pilate, he washed his hands and said, I know nothing about the bill. It is
serious allegation. Serious allegation. What is he trying to say? Is he trying to say that the current president of this nation is Are you serious? This is serious. All he's trying to say is that he's trying to prove a fact over here. But me, I won't say, send me Canada, I mean, pass him with no. With the pardon me, I'll say it in a certain way. I don't until they won't pardon me. Why, Mr. Won't pardon me. You see, this LGBTQ, anti-LGBTQ, whatever, as it starts for Ghana here, no, then the president for sign some bill be about no muntimin sign a bill ni you. A fina 18 December, mobile court, acquire 1212 be. He the bab. Then the whole thing, no, then it be Kamala Harris too, where they push the thing, you bab, way Nana Addo as a obey, as a onye, as obey, as onye, you who stands in there, but Baumia publicly declared some time ago that he is against the LGBTQ plus whatever things, he declared, but the current president of Ghana, we on one back out and said that he's against it. We were just waiting for him to sign the bill. Now you say, oh, ebia or not up and now what I say. Nina she yen sign you yen she you. It be this 18th December way, then go court, then go do things. So Sam Jata George Abetna TV3 New Day show no so. And I say, oh man, Nana Addo history kaka. I say when Nana Addo went to Oxford or travel outside Ghana to further his education at Oxford, okotna binchen na obina okot me mbodi o me nka hwe obina okotna ne nchen no oye gay what I say or no gay lover. So we share video uti bi anyame na make I'm just saying things from the things he said inside the video. What I say so if our current president was able to stay with someone as this some time ago, what is he trying to tell us? What is Sam Jata George trying? Is he trying to say that the current president If you serious, me, I don't go talk anything about that be the allegation where they go on right. That is what is going on right now, and he's trying to prove a point that the president is in favor of the LGBTQ plus. That's why up to now they haven't signed the bill. It is as simple as that. But I'm not the one saying it. He said it in the video and you all saw it. Before I go, I'm done. But before I go,
so Jimmy can no one care me chua. So Jimmy get na shimmy am chua. So Jimmy ten won la me chua. So been dropping you no one care me chua. So Jimmy get na.
I'm out of here. This is New TRYB Studios. I go by the name Maverick, and today I brought you two interesting stories. I didn't go deep into the second one because I don't want to get trouble. I don't want to get into any trouble. But if you want to do any further digging, you want to hear any further thing, just follow us on all social media platforms. The story is there and people have left their comments. You can read through and come up with your own blah blah blah. Media no go talk anything now. My better same. Yeah, so follow us on all social media platforms. Like this video, share, leave your comment, and subscribe to this channel as well. Come at you another time with very interesting yeah, sure, okay, peace out.